Hey friends, today we're going to start out our foundational skills video by working with some onsets and rhymes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say a word to you and you will tell me its beginning and then its ending parts. Like listen to this word, bug. B is the beginning and ug is the end. Okay, and listen to this word, see if you can figure it out. Hat. H is the beginning and at is the end. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some words and I want you all to tell me the beginning sound that you hear and then the ending sound. Okay, here's your first word, hot. You all say that word, hot. The beginning sound is h, and the ending sound is ot, hot. Very good. Here's the next one, pet. Can you all say pet? Pet. The beginning sound is p. The ending sound is et. Pet. Very good. The next word is late. Late. The beginning sound is l. The ending sound is ate. Late. Very good. Here's the next word, pop. Pop. What's that beginning sound? P. The ending sound is op. Pop. Very good. Let's do a couple more. Leaf. Leaf. The beginning sound, l. The ending sound, eef. Leaf. Very good. Here's the next one, sit. Can you all say that? Sit. What's the beginning sound you hear? S. The ending sound, it. Sit. Okay, let's do two more. Light. Light. What's that beginning sound you hear? L. The ending sound, ite. Light. Very good. And the last one, top. Top. What do you hear first? T. The last sound, op. Top. Very good. You guys are doing great at that. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my camera around and I'm going to show you these words right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to point to each word in the first line and we are going to blend the word and sound it out. So this first one, let's say it together. S, it's, sits. You all say it. Sits, very good. Let's do the second one. P, at, s, pats. Very good. Let's go to the next one. D, ips, dips. And the last one, t, apps, taps. Very good. So for the second line right here, I'm going to point to each word and I'm going to read it, then I want you to read it after me. Dims, dims, tips, tips, naps, naps, rips, rips. Very good. Okay, so for this third line, I want you all to read them silently, and then I'm going to just point to one of the words and see if you can read it. Okay, so let's look at all these words. Okay, so I'm going to point to a word. Say that word out loud. Mad. Very good. Mad. Mad. Okay, let's point to another one. Say that one out loud. Pit. P-it. Pit. Very good. Let's do this one. Say that one for me. B-ats. Bats. Okay, and last but not least, say this one. Fins. F-ins. Fins. Very good. And for this last line right here, line number 4, I want you all to try to read this sentence. Try to sound it out. And then I will read it with you. Okay, it says, Sam naps, and the man sits. Sam naps and the man sits. Very good. You guys are doing awesome. So next we're going to look up here at this chart paper. And up here on my chart paper, I have two words. I have the word sits and I have the word cats. Can you all say those words? Sits, cats. So words that are verbs are actions. So they are things that we do. And those words are going to go under sits. And words that are nouns, which are things, those words are going to go under cats. So I have some Post-it notes with some words on it, and you all are going to have to tell me, does it go under sits, which is a verb, which is an action, something we do, or does it go under cats, which is a noun, which are nouns are things? Okay, so I'm going to hold up the first one. This is books. Books. Does books go under sits or cats? Cats. Very good. Books is a noun. Okay, here's the next one. Rips. Rips. Does that go under cats or sits? Is this a verb, an action, or a noun, which is a thing? It is a verb. Very good. Okay, here's the next one. Hops. Hops. Is hops a verb, something we do? Or is it a noun, which is a thing? It's a verb. Very good. Here's the next one. Pants. Pants. Are pants a thing or are pants an action, something that we do? Pants are a thing. That's right. Okay, we have two more. Here's the next one. Lips. Are lips a thing or are lips an action word? Something that we do. They're a thing. Lips are a thing. Very good. And here's our last word, pulls. Pulls. Is that an action? Is that something we do? Or is that a thing? A noun? It is an action. Very good. Okay. The last thing we are going to do is we are going to look at these words to know. And what we are going to do is we are going to speed read them. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at all of these. And I have, oops, that's the wrong list. We're going to look at, those are the words we did before. Here's the second list. So these are our words to know. So these are our words for this week. This first one is me. Can you all say me? Very good. This next one is sits. Sits. Can you all say sits? Very good. And the last one is with. Say with. Very good. Now we are going to read these and we're going to read them quick. Okay, I want you to read them as fast as you can. Sits with me. With me sits. Me with sits. Very good. Now I'm just going to point to a word and I want you to tell me what word it is. With. Very good. Sits. Very good. Me. Okay. Good job, guys. You all did awesome.